If you like shrimp, if you like curry, you will love this Thai shrimp curry recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe welcome to my channel Nin is cooking don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so today I will show you guys how to prepare กุ้งผัดผงกะหรี่ or shrimp with homemade Thai curry sauce are you ready let's go let's start preparing the veggies Cut celery in 2 inches chunks. Same for green onion. Take the long red chili and diagonally cut it. Peel the onion and thinly slice it. Peel the garlic and finely chop it. Now the veggies are ready. Let's make the curry sauce. In a jar or a bowl, add curry powder, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Thai chili paste. Mix it well. Add a bit of white pepper powder. Add milk. If you can put everything in the jar. Mix, mix, mix. Add 2 eggs. And scramble. Actually, let's add another one. Now shrimp. Remove the skin. And clean the inside. Now let's cook everything. Add chopped garlic in hot oil. Let it cook until it turns brownish. Add shrimp. Don't overcook the shrimp. Add onion and stir. Add curry sauce. Stir again. Add all veggies. Mix it well. Oopsie, I didn't put all the sauce. Here it is. Ooh. Mmm. This is Thai easy flavor. If you don't have much time to cook, you can cook this dish to taste Thai flavor. Look like my neighbor have some work to do. So let's finish the video. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive a notification when I add a new video. Also, share, leave me a comment, and chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye. Haha.